Try it again. So I gotta let it rest in order for it to start back up. Won't start right back up. So people say it might be a starter. There it is. My bike's doing the same thing. Try it one more time. Still doing it.